In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a shared folder in Dropbox using the Dropbox website on your desktop. This is especially important if you're managing sensitive information or simply need to control access to your files. It's straightforward when you know the process, and we'll walk through each step to ensure clarity. First, ensure you're signed in at Dropbox.com with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Files section. It's the central hub where all your stored files and folders reside, making it simple to find the shared folder you're concerned with. Once you've located your folder, hover your mouse pointer over it. An icon will appear, known as the More Options icon. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of the folder. Clicking it will reveal several options. You might see either Manage Permissions or an option that says Share, followed by Manage Access. Both of these selections lead you to the area you need to be in. Now, here you are, on the Permissions page. You'll see a list of members who currently have access to your shared folder. Scrutinize this list to find the member you'd like to remove. When you've found their name, notice the drop-down arrow next to it. Clicking this gives you the ability to change their access, or, importantly for us today, remove them completely from the shared folder. Upon choosing the Remove option, you'll encounter a decision point, whether or not you want the removed person to keep a copy of the folder. This permission choice is crucial. If the contents are sensitive, or you simply prefer exclusivity, opt not to allow remote copies. On the other hand, if the removal is more about organizational management and less about restricting content, you might allow a copy to remain. Once you've made this decision, you'll confirm the removal. It's the final step in the process where the changes take effect. Following this confirmation, the member will no longer have access to the folder. Do ensure you've double-checked everything before proceeding, as re-inviting members can involve additional steps not covered in this basic removal process. And there you have it, successfully managing access permissions on Dropbox. Taking full control of who has access to your shared folders not only tidies up potential clutter, but also safeguards your digital assets. With this knowledge, you're equipped to manage folder access confidently, ensuring that your files remain with those you trust.